I hope you all had an amazing day trading. And in this video, I'm going to be answering the most common question I have been getting lately. What's the market going to do? What's my opinion of what's going to happen in the market? Is it crashing? Um, do I need to get out? How do you feel about it? But before we get started, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming content. Now let's get right into this. This is the SPX, the S&P 500 index. I'm just going to use this chart for an example, okay? As you can see here, we've had a nice pullback in the market. But this is to be expected. This happens. The market has to pull back the same as it goes up. It's just how it works, okay? And keep this in mind. I'm going to say this early on so you can kind of keep this in your mind as I go through this example. Fear is a dominant emotion. It overpowers greed. And a wise man once said, be greedy when others are fearful. Now, let's continue. Let's take a look back. Let's zoom out a little on this daily chart here. What do you see? I mean, just a clear picture. Clearly, the market continues to go up over time. So we have time telling us the market is going to go up. Okay, time has proven this to us, right? Let's take even a further look back. Let's look at the weekly chart. Now, each candle here represents a 1 week time frame, right? Now, let's go a little deeper. Let's pull up the 10-year chart so we can see 10 years back. Okay, now you can see this little section here. This is when COVID first hit. Let's take a look. Let's count these candles. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a month period, right? Even with a crisis like this, the market did not stay under much longer than 1 month. I have rarely ever seen the market stay under longer than 1 month at a time. You can see after that the buyers got back in control and pushed it back up, right? That's why I preached leap calls, but that's for another video. And for those of you that's in Team Bull Discord, you get to catch them with me as well. Now let's zoom back out here. Now you can see this is a 10-year period. What has the market continuously done over time? It's went up, right? Now, let's look back at 2012. I think this was around the time I first started investing. For those of you who want to know my age, I'm 30 years old. Didn't really know what I was doing when I first started investing. I just knew I needed to. Anyways, people told me the same thing 10 years ago. The market's overpriced. Don't buy now. You're wasting, you're crazy. Now the same people are asking me how I do it and asking me for advice, which I don't give them advice because everything is just my opinion. But, without risk, there is no reward. And that's how I see the market. Yeah, I think we're having a nice dip right now. Do I think the market's going to crash? No. I think we're going to continue on. I think I'm not telling you to buy the dip. You do what you want. I think the people that buy this dip are going to be happy in a month or so. That being said, it's all about risk management. If you do buy the dip and it falls through, you need to follow your trading plan, follow your stop loss. That's just how you manage your trades, and that's how you stay successful over the long run. But that's my opinion of the market. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram, Twitter, the Discord. If you're not in Team Bull, you need to join immediately. You don't want to miss out on this. I will be announcing my leaps in there. One of my favorite type of trades. For those of you that's not following my new podcast I started, go follow that. You're really going to like that. I'm going to have all kinds of skilled traders, entrepreneurs talking about their income streams, possibly give you some tips on how to get started with it. So if you're into that sort of thing, go check that out. That concludes this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.